Hi guys, this is Glow Gang here. So this is another carrier air handler. It's an air conditioner. The other carrier air handler I filmed is a heat pump. So yeah, over here is a thermostat. It's by Honeywell. It's a different one compared to the other one for the carrier Puron air handler, which is long gone forever, and I have the thermostat for myself. So here are the modes. It's an air conditioner, by the way, so it says on cool mode and off and heat. So it's on auto and it's set to 70 degrees. It's probably like set to 73 or 74 or something for when it was running, and I decided to turn it off so I can get a startup. So inside this closet, which I like air handlers, by the way, in hotel rooms, in which the carrier air handler is right here. This is another carrier unit, indoor unit. So I filmed the startup and shutdown of the carrier air handler at the same hotel room they were staying in, but in a different building. So let me explain the other HVAC videos that I've done before we start this thing up. And I'll also show you the parts of it too. I did the Payne air conditioner back in April, both the air handler and the outdoor unit. I did the air handler in May. I did the startup and shutdown of the original air handler that we had right before we got the Ream air handler. Back in August, I did the carrier air handler startup and shutdown at the same hotel that we're staying in, but in a different hotel room. And I did the HVAC Heaven of 19 Bryant air conditioners that's running, with some running along the way. And in September, and also back in August, I filmed the last startup and shutdown of the Payne air conditioner right before the house was sold. And if you haven't checked out the one last startup and shutdown of the Payne air conditioner, go check it out. And back in September, I filmed the Ream air handler startup and shutdown on cool mode. And yes, for its heating season, I'll do startup and shutdown for heat mode, on heat mode. But I still hate the smell, though. And back in October, I did the Whirlpool window/room air conditioner. I didn't do the Goodman packaged air conditioner yet, but I will. But it's on delay right now. So let me show you the parts. So before we do that, so let's take a look at the data sheet. It's from February of 2018. I don't know what the tonnage is yet, but this is the box where you get it to have it start up and shut down. This is where this pipe is connected to. This pipe is connected right next to the AC pipe. So this is the AC pipe right here. It looks kind of like a snake, and I like the way it's shaped. When it's on heat mode, it vibrates. This thing's connected to that thing right there, which I know this thing is connected to the vents right over there. Yeah, I like the AC pipe. So here's another AC pipe. It's squishy too. So here's the carrier logo. And there's this spray thing when it's on fire. So I'm going to put the phone in here. So we're going to start it up, and I'll do shutdown, like I did with the other carrier air handler. Shh. Okay. Sorry. So, yeah. Here we go. Okay, so this is what the air handler sounds like when it started up. I set the fan to on so I can get it to start up because I'm not sure how the thermostat works. I tried to set the temperatures up and down to get this unit to start up. So this is what it sounds like when it started up. Sorry it took so long. So let me check how it feels. Nice. So let me explain this real quick. For the inside unit, it's doing good. It's on cool mode right now. So down here's the filter. Nice, I got it this time. I can feel the cool air coming out from the side of the air handler. So I know this right here goes to the air, to the vents, right over there. Down there is probably the return vent, which goes to the air handler. So let me show you how it feels. Nice, I can feel some cool air. It's getting cold. Yeah, it's getting nice and cold, but not too freezing eventually. So let me explain this real quick. So here's an explanation real quick so I can give this more time to run. Anyways, for the HVAC Heaven, I'm about to do that later in the vacation. Maybe when we're leaving, I'll probably film the carrier units along with a mini split. So, yeah. If you don't know that sound, this vent is making that sound. So this vent goes to the duct system, as you've known. So, let me explain again. So for the HVAC Heaven, I'm about to do that later in the vacation. So I'll be filming the carrier units with some running along the way. I know that some of them can be heat pumps and some are air conditioners. So let me show you the thermostat before we shut this down. I set it to 71 and that's where it started up. I set the fan to on and that's where I started up. And I set the thermostat to 71 and I set it to turn on too. So it's time to turn it off. So time to shut down. So that's the startup and shutdown of the 2 carrier units in our 2 separate hotel rooms. So thanks for watching. Glorm Gang out. And the HVAC Heaven is coming up too. Is coming up as well. As well as the Ream air handler on heat mode for its first heating season of 2024. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the one last startup and shutdown of the Payne air conditioner. Glorm Gang out.